So welcome back friends. So this is a step-by-step guide of Demat account opening process in Zerodha. So you can do it yourself. No need to take help from anyone. No need to call the Zerodha persons. So you can do it yourself, and I have shown the step-by-step guide, complete guide till the e-sign process. So you can do it online. It is very easy to do, and you can do it within 20 to 30 minutes of your time. So friends, let us start the presentation. So what are the mandatory documents required? So the mandatory documents required are your PAN card front size, your Aadhaar card number, one bank proof of yours. The bank proof can be cancelled check or passbook front page or last 1 month's bank statement. And it should have your name and IFSC code and MICR code. And you also need one signature of yours on the plain white paper. So before you start the account opening process, make sure you collect all these things in soft copy. And you can collect them either in the JPEG or JPEG format or in the PDF format. So before you start the process, make sure you have all these documents handy with you so that you can upload them whenever required. So now the optional documents required. So what are the optional documents? Optional documents are your income proof. So income proof can be your 6 months bank statement, the latest 6 months bank statement, or latest IT return, or your salary slip, or your form 16. So any one of them is good, and you also need the soft copy of them either in the JPEG or in the PDF format. And this is required only if you need futures and options trading or commodity trading. So if you just need plain and simple equity trading, you do not need a income proof. So if you need only equity trading, you do not need an income proof to start with. So next, what is the process? So you first need to go to the account opening page. The link of the account opening page will be given in the video description. So from there you can directly go to the account opening page, or you can also remember the account opening link. The account opening link is bit.ly/Zerodha Demat, bit.ly/ZERODHADEMAT. So you can also remember this link. So if you use our link, you will get our Hot Tips mobile app as a bonus. You can also directly go to Zerodha website and you can open a Zerodha Demat account over there. But in that case, you will not get our special bonus that we provide to our customers who open a Demat account through us. In that case, you will get our special mobile app Hot Tips, where you will get computer generated algo calls. So friends, let us start the process. Let us go to this website bit.ly/Zerodha Demat. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So let us click that. So friends, you can see this page has opened. Here you need to enter your mobile number and make sure that you enter your mobile number correctly, and then click on continue. So it will redirect you to the OTP page. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on your mobile. So check your mobile and then enter the OTP correctly in this page and click on confirm. So this will confirm your mobile, and then it will be redirected to the email verification page. So click on continue. So you will also receive a 6-digit OTP in the email. So input that and click on continue. So now here you are in the PAN card page. You need to enter your PAN number and your date of birth exactly as per the PAN number. So make sure you enter these details correctly once again. So I am entering the PAN number. Now I'll enter the date of birth. We will select the year and then the month and then the date. So this should be exactly as per the PAN card. So there is a checkbox. If everything is correct, click on the checkbox and click continue. So friends, you will now redirected to the payments page. Here if you click pay and continue, you can see various payment options. So you can pay by card or by net banking, etc., etc. So you choose your payment process. And we are not showing the payment fully because payment is a personal thing. So we are not showing the full payment process, but you can pay very securely and very easily. So then you will be redirected to the next step. We are opening for the next step to open. So there you need to enter your bank details. So you need to enter your branch IFSC code first, and once you enter the IFSC, you will automatically get the MICR code. You need to just verify the MICR code, and after that you need to enter your account number, the bank account number. The account number you need to enter twice. Once you enter the account number, you need to confirm it once again. So I am entering the IFSC code. You can see once I entered the IFSC code, the MICR code is automatically shown. So I just need to confirm that, and then I need to enter the bank account number. So there are two places you can see. You can enter the bank account number once and then you need to confirm it. And you can see on the right hand side, the bank name and details is displayed. So then there is a CKYC option. Here you need to enter your mother's first name, your mother's last name. Then some other details will be asked to you, like your occupation, whether you are single or married, like that. So these are all very easy questions. You need to answer them and click on continue. Make sure you click all the check boxes. So friends, you can see you are now redirected to the IPP page. You will be shown a number here 7243. So you need to write the number on a plain paper and hold in front of your webcam and click capture. So now there are the Aadhaar details. So there is an option e-sign with Aadhaar. So one by one you need to upload the documents. First the bank proof. So we are already having the things in PDF format. So we are uploading them one by one. Now you need to upload your PAN details and your signature. So you need to find them and upload them. You are already having them in soft copy. So just one by one you need to upload. So you can see all the documents are uploaded. Now it is time to e-sign. You can see here you need to authenticate your email ID. You will receive an OTP in your email ID and you need to enter that. Click on submit. So then you need to complete your profile. You will be redirected to the NSDL e-sign site. So there you need to authorize NSDL for e-signing. So we are doing the things step by step, and then you can see the things are happening exactly how I am showing. You need to do it exactly like this. Once again you will receive OTP. So you need to enter the OTP and you need to verify OTP. It is a pretty step-by-step process. and it is quite easy process. You can do it yourself. If you watch my video fully, you can do it yourself. Then you will be redirected to the DGO gateway. Once again, you will need to complete the process. You will need to authorize them. Once again, you need to enter the OTP. So you check your mobile for the OTP and you need to enter it. So enter the OTP and then click on verify OTP. So friends, you can see your equity e-sign is done. So only left is your F&O and commodity e-sign. Now it is the time to upload the income proof. As we will do F&O and commodity, so we will upload the income proof also. But this is an optional document. So now there is an option e-sign commodity. So once you uploaded this income proof, you can click on e-sign commodity. Same process, you need to enter the OTPs that has been sent to your email and then to your mobile. So we are entering the OTPs. If you watch this video, you can do it yourself. This video is totally descriptive. So friends, once again you can see you are redirected to the DGO page, means in the NSDL site. You need to enter the OTP. Check your mobile and then enter the OTP. You can see the OTP verification process is in progress. So friends, I feel all the processes are complete. We are going towards the last step. I have shown you the whole process actually. Yeah, you can see the sign up is complete. So congratulations my dear friends. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.